No matter the time of year, stay comfortable with a heating and cooling system from Pipe Wrench. We make it easy with free on-site estimates for replacements and free second opinions on repairs and 0% financing. Call or book your appointment today online at pipewrench.com. And as always, same-day service guaranteed or the visit's free.
Well, thanks for checking in with your afternoon weather update. Not a whole lot of rainfall out there right now. Not expecting a whole lot more, although there is a little piece of energy coming in out of Middle Tennessee that may spark off some of these showers before the day is over. Our Futurecast model is picking up on that here. But I think we're going to start to see a little bit more sunshine. We've already started to see a little bit of sunshine here at the lunch hour, and I think that's going to be the goal before this little wave moves on through. You can see our Futurecast picking up on that little wave. It is going to produce some decent amount of rain in a short amount of time, but weaken as it moves its way off to the east, and then we'll likely see some fog developing overnight tonight. So rainfall amounts, again, could be a little lofty in some locations if we get these showers and thunderstorms to develop across the Western Valley and the Cumberland Plateau. Now, we started the morning off in the 60s and 70s. We're on our way into the maybe mid to upper 70s. That may be a little bit on the warmer side considering the clouds and that have been stuck in place throughout the day today. So we'll see how that all plays out. Other than that, we're going to keep those rain chances a little bit more elevated here for the next few days because we continue to have more waves of energy in the atmosphere. So Thursday, we start off on the dry side, but Thursday night and Friday, we have a round of rain coming on through. Friday and Saturday, we've got another round of rain with a cold front and a low pressure system that's going to traverse its way across the state. That's going to produce more rain, but leave us with better weather as we get into the upcoming weekend. And because we have a little bit more rain, we do have still level 1 risk for some localized flooding concerns as we get into our Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Although I'm not anticipating a whole lot, we're likely to end the week with about 1 inch of rainfall. I think that's going to be the general idea. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. So again, pushing the upper 70s today. Maybe we'll get there, maybe we won't. Low 70s on into our Friday. The weekend will rebound back into the mid to upper 70s with more sunshine, quieter, and drier weather conditions. So I sure hope you're having a great week and having a great day so far. Don't forget, your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock tonight. I'll see you then.